In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Loop tip, create reusable dropdowns with label groups. If you've ever wished your tables in Microsoft Loop had clean, consistent choices for things like status or priority, label groups are the simplest way to get there. By the end, you'll be able to set up a reusable set of dropdown options that keeps your team aligned and your pages tidy. Start by heading to Microsoft Loop in your browser or the app. Once you're in, open an existing workspace or create a new one. A workspace is where related pages live together, so pick the place that makes sense for your project or team. Next, open a page where you want to work, or create a fresh page if you're starting from scratch. Think of the page as your canvas for notes, tasks, and structured content like tables. On that page, insert a table by typing /, then the word table, and press enter. Loop adds a simple table you can start shaping right away. You can rename columns, add rows, and paste in any existing content if you already have a list of items to track. Now let's turn a column into a smart dropdown. Click the small arrow in the header of the column you want to convert, choose Change Column Type, and select Label. The label type turns each cell in that column into a tidy dropdown chip, which keeps entries consistent and easy to scan. When the label type is enabled, choose a label group. You can pick from built-in options, handy for common needs like status, or set up your own. To create your own, scroll below the built-in groups and select Add Label Group. Give the group a clear, memorable name so others know when to use it, then type in the specific choices you want available. For example, you might add Not Started, In Progress, and Done for a status column, or Low, Medium, and High for priority. You can add as many as you need and refine the wording so it matches your team's language. Your choices aren't locked in. At any time on this page, you can add new options, rename existing ones, or remove options you no longer need. This flexibility makes it easy to evolve as your workflow changes without breaking older entries. Once your custom label group is set, you can apply it to any label column in that table. Just select the group when you switch a column to the label type, and you'll get the exact same dropdown everywhere you need it. That's it. Clean, consistent, and reusable.